The boy arm green like green lizard. So basically, green arm means like you have smelly armpits. Your armpit is stinky and you need to go take a shower. For you guys who don't really know the Patwa so good, if you hear anybody say your arm green, it means you have a smelly armpit. You don't smell nice, so you got to do something about it. All right? Yeah, that's what green arm is. Hi guys, welcome to my little corner of the internet. My name is Nayoka. If you're new, big up yourself. Thanks for clicking on the video, yeah man. Yeah, please remember to subscribe. All right, we need to grow the channel. All right. All right guys, so I know already what you guys came for. You guys came to hear some Patwa, and that's what I'm gonna give to you right now. Like at work, there's a lot of Jamaicans. And yes, I said Jamaicans. What I mean by Jamaicans is like people who were born in Jamaica, but they left Jamaica when they were young. So like they didn't get to learn to speak Patwa. So like whenever we're at work, like the other Jamaicans at work, and we're talking about, like we're talking in Patwa and all of that, they can't understand. So we're like, bro, you're a Jamaican. Because how can you be a Jamaican, like born in Jamaica, you don't even understand what's going on. Bro, you're a Jamaican. Don't hold the Jamaican title, all right? If you don't speak Patwa, you're not a Jamaican. You have to learn how to speak Patwa. And that's why I love you guys, because you tune into this video because you want to learn. You want to learn to talk Patwa. All right, guys. So now we're going to jump right into it. All right. I have like 10 different words and phrases here, well written down for you guys. So the first one on my list is pull up the tune selector. Pull up the tune. So basically, when you hear pull up the tune, you're in a party, the vibe is nice, everybody's dancing, and then the song, you know, the song was so nice, you just want to hear it again. So you say, pull up the tune selector.
Pull up that song, pull up that song there.
And the DJ would now replay the song. So basically what pull up the tune selector means is replay that song, DJ. So the next word on my list is yo, Mr. Babylon boy. Hey. So this song is Babylon. So the Rastafarians, they used to call, well they call police Babylon. So whenever you hear a Rastaman say, or even any Jamaican, when we say Babylon boy, that means we're talking about a policeman or a police officer. So that's what Babylon is. Third word on the list is cruff. Oh my gosh, cruff. Cruff basically means like this is a good for nothing person. Of a look dirty cruff. Yeah, cruff, you know. You see you? Yeah, cruff. Not my subscribers, guys. You're not cruffs, but yeah. That's how you would use it in a sentence. You are cruff. Or them a cruff. Lazy person, a person who doesn't want anything good out of life. They're just cruffs. Cruffs, man. Cruff. All right. Next one on the list is yardie. When a person say yardie, or when a Jamaican say yardie, it basically means I'm Jamaican. So if you ask me, where are you from? I would say, I come from yard. Yard basically means your home, where you live, where you come from. Like, where are you from? That's what yard mean. But when we say I am a yardie, it means I am Jamaican. So practice that in a sentence. Me a yardie. So anybody asks you where you from, what should you tell them?
Me a yardie.
All right, that's what I want to hear. Yeah, yardie. Anybody asks you, yeah, yardie. From you watch this video, you are yardie. The next word on the list is STUSH. STUSH. She a going like she stush, you see? I don't know why that girl a going like she stush. STUSH basically means bougie. So you know those people who act like they're bougie, you know, they have to have people driving them around. They don't drive for themselves. They have to have people feed them, bodyguards and all these things. Yeah, I'm bad and bougie. That means stush. So all of the stush girls them will live uptown. Yeah, the bougie girls them. Yeah. But in Canada it will be downtown. Yeah, because you live downtown. Yeah, you're bougie. So yeah, so stush means bougie. Next word is CHAKA. CHAKA means if you are like if you leave the place messy, you would say CHAKA. Like the girl CHAKA, you see, like she just mess up the place and gone. You know, she just dirty up and CHAKA up the place. So CHAKA means it's a very messy place. Nothing is in order. Everything is all over the place. So that's what means CHAKA. Dance to the rhythm. CHAKA. Dance to the rhythm. CHAKA. Everybody feel dance. CHAKA. I don't even know what the dance for that song is, but I'm just moving to the beat. Dance to the rhythm. CHAKA. Everybody feel dance. CHAKA. Everybody do the dance. CHAKA. Father do what fear do the CHAKA. Next word is LIMORE. So if I tell you I'll see you LIMORE, that means I'll see you later. So usually whenever, like, if we're on a phone call, even though we know we're not gonna really see you later on, we're still gonna say LIMORE, because, like, I don't know what else to say when I'm coming off the phone. We don't usually say bye. Like if I'm talking to my sister for like 2-3 hours on the phone and I'm like LIMORE, yeah? We just know that that's it for tonight. Even though I said LIMORE, talk to you later, it means talk to you later. We know we're not gonna talk later. We already know that the conversation is done for the day and I might not hear from you for the next few days. So, but LIMORE basically means later or bye or whatever context you want to put it in. But it means like the conversation is done or you're leaving or you're saying bye. Basically, if you want to, yeah, you could say you're saying bye, but basically when we say LIMORE, it means later. I'll talk to you later or I'll see you later. Next one on the list is green arm. Say the boy green. The man green like green lizard. So basically green arm means like you have smelly armpits. Your armpit is stinky and you need to go take a shower. For you guys who don't really know the Patwa so good, if you hear anybody say your arm green, it means you have a smelly armpit. You don't smell nice, so you got to do something about it. All right? Yeah. Me no business. Me no business is I don't care. Straight up, I don't care. So your friend might tell you like, oh, the girl down the road not like you, you know. I'm gonna say, me no business. She could not like me from now till a morning. Me no business. I know a lot of you guys don't understand what I just said, but basically, me no business means I don't care and I don't want to care. I just straight up don't care. Mash up. Yo, the place mash right up. You know, in Canada, I hear a lot of people saying mash up. I can't even say it. But they say, yo, the place mash up. They try to talk like Jamaicans and they say mash up instead of mash up. So basically, mash up means like it's broken. Can't fix anymore. That's it for you. You fall down the stairs. Broke your foot, broke your back, you mash up. Roll him. That's it. You, I guess, some car in an accident and, you know, collide head-on collision. The car mash up. There's nothing that you can do about it. It's just mash up. It broke up. It done. A girl might be heartbroken and she say, oh,
that you're fine. You're not really
boy,
fine.
mash up my
Can't get into
heart.
it because they would never
It mash up my heart. That means like the guy did her real dirty, man. Like he really hurt that girl. So her heart is mash up. I want to give you a bonus word. And this is mix up and blender. Whoa! Mix up and blender means you're getting some hot juicy news, like some real gossip. Like, you know, your sister call you, you're like, girl, me have mix up for tell you. Mix up like you're stirring something up. Yeah, some juicy saga, like something real juicy. You want to give your undivided attention. This is gonna be juicy. Some nice juicy tea. They call it tea, right? Yeah. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you learned something today. If you need to rewatch the video, just rewatch it so you can learn a few little things, you know, a thing or two. You can even surprise your co-workers, you know, you go to work and next day you say a new slang and they're like, wait, where did you learn that from? Or if you have a boyfriend or a girlfriend who's Jamaican and you want to surprise them, you just like, you know, rewatch my video. As I said, this is the 4th video on Patwa. So if you want to impress your partner, or you want to impress your coworker, or you want to impress your friends, you know, just rewatch this video, learn the slangs, and just dash it on them without warning. That's another one. Yeah, that's a new one. I'll save that for another video. So make sure you subscribe and turn on your post notification bell, so whenever I post a new Patwa video, then you will be the first one to get notified. And guys, I have a new Patwa video coming up that I'm talking about the body parts. What do you call your body parts in Patwa? So if you want to hear about that, as I said, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Big up yourself, big up yourself, big up yourself. Bye y'all.